Voters in Littleton approved a housing measure on Tuesday, but the city is not sure that it's legal. Ballot Measure 3A passed with 55% in favor and 45% against. It amends the city's charter to restrict land use and zoning changes for single-family residential homes and neighborhoods. Your reporter in Arapahoe County, Ashley Portillo, spoke with the mayor, who's worried about possible legal action.
I didn't support 3A. I was hoping the voters would agree with me.
Re-elected Mayor Kyle Schlechter has publicly shared his opposition against 3A.
I don't think land use belongs in the city charter. I think it is very ambiguous and kind of confusing of what the wording actually means and will likely result in some litigation.
Mayor Schlechter believes the amendment reverts city ordinances that have passed this year, like allowing accessory dwelling units. The concern is also that Littleton is now out of compliance with state law requiring cities to make it easier to build ADUs.
This new council, once we are sworn in on November 18th, we will probably have some conversations with the city attorney to get legal advice on what next steps could be. And we might be defendants in the case.
I think the accusation was that somehow the Charter Amendment 3A, as written, would prevent the expansion of ADUs that the City Council passed this summer.
Mark Harris, with Rooted in Littleton, the group to get the measure on the ballot, interprets the amendment differently.
And I think there is a battle of verbiage and intent, and some people are taking things out of context.
Harris said the measure won't freeze all development and won't ban ADUs, instead allowing homeowners to apply for a variance of their own.
We intended to limit multiplexes from single-family residential neighborhoods. We didn't intend to prohibit ADUs.
The other concern is that Governor Polis will withhold state funding from cities who don't comply.
We'll have to work through with the attorneys and figure out how we can be sure to not lose those funds, because those are funds that we relied on and used quite a bit. I mean, there's several $1 million that we relied on.
We are ready and willing to work with the mayor and the council to work on affordable housing, density where it makes sense.
While voters did make their voices known on Ballot Measure 3A, the issue of housing and density in Littleton is not going anywhere anytime soon. Both sides did tell me that moving forward, they hope to come to the table to continue having these conversations. Reporting in Littleton, I'm Ashley Portillo, covering Colorado First.